Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we had finished multiplication of a whole number with a fraction, the second topic in that is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction in exercise 2.3 on page number 41. The question is being given, find 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 3, means three different questions are being given. So we'll do one by one. 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. Now here many of you are making mistake कि 4 दिखा है तो कट कर सकते हैं, बट मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला है दैट न्यूमरेटर कैन नॉट बी कैंसल्ड एंड डिनोमिनेटर कैन नॉट बी कैंसिल कब होगा? ऊपर नीचे होगा, नहीं तो डायगनली होगा, क्रॉस में। ऊपर वाले को कट नहीं करेगा, नीचे वाले को कट नहीं करेगा। ओके, सो हियर वी कैन नॉट कैंसिल एनीथिंग न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में, नहीं तो क्रॉस में भी एक न्यूमरेटर एक डिनोमिनेटर कुछ कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है। सो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड राइट डाउन द आंसर। 1 1 ज़र इज 1 and 4 4 ज़र is 16. Okay, simple. Then B, again 1 upon 4 is common. 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5, which is equal to 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 5. So 3 1s is 3 and 5 4s is 20. This is the answer because we cannot cancel here anything. Same way, C, 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3, which is equal to 1 upon 4 into 4 upon 3. Now here you see in cross we can cancel this 4 1s are 4, here also 4 1s are 4. So what is remaining in the numerator? That is 1 1s are is 1 and 3 1s are is 3. Okay, this is how we have to do it, and I know that you all of you are knowing this how to do it. So first one I had done, second one you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 2 on page number 42. In that it is being given that multiply and reduce to the lowest form if possible. जहाँ पे possible हो वहाँ पे उसको lowest form में convert करना है. The first question is 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. So what we have to do here first, the mixed fraction we have to convert it into improper fraction. So 2 3s are is 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. So here it comes, we cannot cancel anything in the from numerator denominator in cross or upside down. Okay, so just we'll multiply 8 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. As it is improper fraction, we'll convert it into mixed fraction. So 9 1s are is 9 and 9 plus 7 is 16, because 9 2s are 18 हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे 2 कभी भी क्वेश्चन में नहीं आएगा. Second one, it's 2 upon 7 into 7 upon 9 is the question. So again we'll write 2 into 7 upon 7 upon 9. So here we can cancel 7 7 and the final answer is 2 upon 9. Now here we cannot convert it into mixed fraction because it is proper fraction where numerator is smaller than the denominator. यहाँ पे numerator बड़ा था denominator, that's why we can convert it into mixed fraction. Now here it is proper fraction, so it cannot be converted into mixed fraction. Third one, 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. So again we'll write the question, 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. Now here two ways you can do the cancellation. अगर ये दोनों को कट करना है 6 and 4 को, then also you can cancel. If you want to cancel 6 and 8, then also it's okay, the answer will not change. Okay, the answer will be same. So cancel both by 2, so 2 3s are and 2 2s are. ओके, नाउ वी कैन नॉट कैंसिल एनीथिंग है सर, यहाँ पे 3 3 है तो कट नहीं होगा, लेकिन मैंने पहले बोला न्यूमरेटर कभी कैंसिल नहीं होता है. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल डू नाउ, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 3 3 ज़र इज 9 and 8 2 ज़र इज 16. Okay, so this is how you have to do the सम्स. जहाँ पे कैंसिल हो सकता है वहाँ पे करना है, नहीं होता है और अगर आंसर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन आता है तो कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. अगेन द रिमेनिंग सम यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अगेन द सेम थिंग इज बीइंग गिवन बट देयर ऑल आर इन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. एक मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है और एक फ्रैक्शन है. नाउ the first one in that is 2 upon 5 into 5 1 upon 4. So now we will convert first the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 upon 5 into 5 4 is 20 plus 1, 21 upon 4. Now 2 1s are into 2s are, so our final answer comes, that is 21 upon 10, which is equal to 2 10s are 20 plus 1 is 21. Okay, very simple, nothing hard is being there. Everything you had done, कुछ भी इसमें नया नहीं कर रहे. Second is 6 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. So 5 6 is 30 plus 2 is 32 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. Now we cannot cancel there anything, so what we have to do, we have to just multiply it. So 32 7 zer means 7 2 zer is 14, 1 7 3 zer 21 plus 1 is 22 upon 9 5 zer is 45. Now we have to convert it into mixed fraction, and for that we have to divide it. So 224 45, the trick which I told you to do, use when you do the division. So क्या कंसिडर करेंगे, यहाँ पे 4 ही कंसिडर करेंगे. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट डिजिट 2 है विच इज़ लेस देन 4, इसलिए 2 डिजिट कंसिडर करेंगे. ना 4 के टेबल में 22 या 22 से कम, सो 4 5 ज़र इज 20, 4 6 ज़र इज 24. So let us see 45 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20 plus 2 it's 22, means 225 it is coming. Means compulsory we have to go by 45. 4s are 5 4s are 20, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 it's 180. So 4, 12 minus 8 is 4. So 44 is coming remainder. So in this manner we will write, that is 4 as question, so it will become a whole number. 45 denominator as it is and the remainder 44. Now third one, that is 3 upon 2 into 5 1 upon 3. Again the same thing, 3 upon 2 into 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16 upon 3. So 3 3 get cancelled, 2 1s are and 2 8s are, so the final answer comes, that is 8. Okay, so again remaining sum by yourself. Now question number 4, in that it is being given that which one is greater. In that first one, 2 upon 7 or 3 upon 4. Now here So the question is 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4 or 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. Means ये दो है, ये दोनों में से कौन बड़ा है, that we have to find out. So what we have to do first, 2 upon 7 into 3 upon 4, because of is being used, we'll put the comma here. 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 8. Now wherever we can cancel, we'll cancel it. 2 ones are n, 2 twos are 5 from here get cancelled. So what is remaining? 3 and 7 twos are it's 14. Here it is 3 upon 8. Now as both the denominators are different, so what we have to do, we have to find out the LCM. 8 and 14. So 2 4s are 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 1s are and 7 1s are. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 8 7s are is 56. Now 8 7s are 56 we got. So now we'll make it 56. So 7 2s are 14, 4s are, so here also 4, 8 7s are, so here also 7, 4 3s are 12 upon 56 and 21 upon 56. Now we have to compare this. We have to compare this and then we have to write down the answer. अभी 12 छोटा है, 21 बड़ा है. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है, विच इज ग्रेटर, कौन बड़ा है. So what we'll write, therefore 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4. Okay, कौन बड़ा है वो पूछा है, that's why ये बड़ा है, that is 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. So that we'll write first, that is greater than 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4. Okay, अभी तक क्या आ रहा था, खाली दो फ्रैक्शंस अलग अलग आते हैं, and from that we used to find out the LCM and then we used to compare it. But here it's little bit different. यहाँ पे multiplication भी करना है and afterwards we have to find out the answer also. So here second one is also there, that I am doing because too much homework it will be done it for you. So 1 upon 2 of 6 upon 7 or 2 upon 3 of 3 upon 7. So 1 upon 2 into 6 upon 7, 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 7. So 2 1s are and 2 3s are, 3 3 get cancelled. So 3 upon 7, here it's 2 upon 7. Very easy, दोनों like fraction ही आ रहा है, so no need to find out the LCM and all. So by here only we get the answer that this one is greater. Okay, so what will we write, that 1 upon 2 of 6 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 3 of 3 upon 7. The answer is over. So student, in today's video just this much only. In the homework, remaining sum of question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, you have to do it by yourself. Question number 4 I had done. So in the next video, we'll complete the exercise. So till then, thank you and take care.